Hi, I'm Stevie Van Zandt. 10 years ago, I joined with teachers' associations in their efforts to preserve music and arts education in schools. We both believe music is the most solid common ground to establish communication between teachers and students. And that's where education begins. The Rock and Roll Forever Foundation's TeachRock project provides professional development workshops where we train teachers to use our interdisciplinary lesson plans that integrate art and music history across the curriculum. In the U.S., we've struggled to keep art and music education in schools for many years, as schools and teachers have responded to education policy with increased focus on improving student achievement in math, science, and reading. We've struggled to keep our students in schools for even longer. We are not alone in this. Countries across the world face the same or similar struggles. Ironically, research shows students who receive music instruction do better in math and science, and students who like at least one class or teacher are less likely to drop out. Music education is not the problem, it's part of the solution. Our staff of educators and ethnomusicologists have created over 100 lesson plans that can be integrated into social studies and language arts curricula as single lesson plans or can be taught as unit plans. We are supporting teachers and students. Our workshops are totally free. There is no cost to attend or cost to use our curriculum. This is a little different than a professional development you may be used to. This is a rock and roll professional development experience, and what would rock and roll be without live concerts? The Little Steven and the Disciples of Soul Teacher Appreciation Tour professional development experience includes a 1-hour workshop at the concert venue, an hour of networking, which includes food, and an opportunity to kick back, relax, and enjoy yourself at a 2-hour concert with me and my band, Little Steven and the Disciples of Soul. You will also receive the TeachRock Project's official t-shirt. The Little Steven and the Disciples of Soul Teacher Appreciation Tour will continue this fall in the U.S., and we may keep going right into 2019. Please visit teachrock.org for our tour dates and locations. All you have to do is register, and you come for free to the workshop and the show. I want to thank you, teachers, for everything that you do, and I hope to see you soon.
Be good to your teachers. Take a teacher to lunch, buy them a cup of coffee. Say thank you to your teachers.